Lazarus is suing Hlathi for 10 million rands after he refused to apologize publicly. He did say that Hlathi is going to regret humiliating him like that. Ligava tried to talk to his dad, saying Guti Utatake must let his ego aside and apologize because Utanda impi. Zoleka is starting to doubt Lazarus, saying that he does not know this man that is becoming. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Thumeka uyazama ukukhuza uHlathi awukhawuyeke le nto man. This is bad. uHlathi is hell-bent on saying ukuthi he's fighting for his son. Uzowutata onjani uma ngalwela umntanakhe. Thulani comes to tell him ukuthi for it, I think you need to apologize to Lazarus because le nto yenzile, embarrassing him like that in public, that was bad. That was really vile. But uHlathi is like, nope, mina ndixolise, never, I will not do that. Don't come here with Thumeka's tendencies, because Thumeka has been telling him to apologize, but uHlathi is not keen to apologize. Ligava then told him, just that when you're so addicted to conflict, even if peace was to come and knock on your door, you chase it away because it's the conflict, man. Ego always comes first. Waqasuka uHlathi yasazini wena ngizogqotha wena, you're the one I'm going to kick out because uyabona usungiqhela kakubi. And then Uqhawe is dressed up, man, in a red dress, going to work, looking all sexy. As that one is how do you have a dating after work at the car? I have a meeting no Onga, but how? Oh, a meeting. As how Onga is my boss, man. I don't like him like that. As she doesn't do office romance, but all the effort for a meeting. But she got disappointed because Onga did not even come to work. Told her to work with Umawetu. And then Lazarus' dad phones with Lazarus, telling him he really embarrassed umndeni kaNgqukana. He just doesn't know how he's going to recover from this. Lazarus tries telling him he's going to fix it. But tata kakamkhola oba like ufilungisa kanjani yazi this whole thing is a curse to the Ngqukana family. Usihlazile ngempela, like kanene usihlazile. Lazarus is feeling defeated because what Hlathi did is uncalled for, and says that uHlathi is going to regret ever crossing him like that. And since he asked him to apologize publicly, he hasn't done that, which means that he needs him to use his into a little bit. And Zoleka is now worried with what do you want to do? As I don't like the look in your eyes. By the time I'm done with Hlathi, he will hate ukuza nje igama lami. But Zoleka is worried with Hlathi, but I want you becoming someone that you are not. Does Zoleka even know Lazarus? Because you don't know what when he's pushed into a corner. I mean, what Hlathi did is uncalled for, revealing Masakritake angak in public. He says that, so are you saying what Hlathi did was right, humiliating me like that in public? He must just get away with it. There's no way. I have a surprise for him, and he will not like this one. But doesn't tell Zoleka about it. Zoleka is now worried. Tells Boniswa, I'm worried because this man, Lazarus, this is not the man I fell in love with, because manje, seeing him hungry for revenge like this actually scares me. It's not just about Lillian now. This Hlathi thing is just getting out of hand. But Boniswa is like, hi man, Lazarus is protecting you. Lazarus is like a man okusutayo. Just relax, man. Enjoy ukuba nendoda ekufanele. But Zoleka is like, maybe I'm not, I need trauma kaHlathi. That's why I'm always waiting for a man to mess up. And then Gomabandla. Thulani nomkakhe are there as usual, eating. Uthandeka Shem tells Hlathi, I'm going to tell what I'm thinking. What you did was very wrong. Hlambalaza Lazarus like that in front of everyone as Dlangalaleni. That was very wrong of you. Hlathi, hey man, nawungubani wena meddling in my business. Hey, usisi wakho mdala, umfazi kabhuti wakho, and I have a right to say what I feel or think. What you did was wrong. It was pure evil. Uzoleka umndeni. You shouldn't have done that, especially in public like that. Into yenziwe wrong. But uHlathi ngathi akaziboni nje ukuthi le nto yenzile wrong. And then kusenjalo they get a knock. Someone knocks in the door. Kanti bazomserva umthetho mabandla, bazomserva ngama-summons ukuthi actually Lazarus is suing him for 10 million rands. Uyithatha kanene uHlathi 10 million rands because Zoleka only gave him 5 million, and from the 5 million he had to pay uHlengiwe. which he was like left with 4 million. He did the wedding, he paid for lobola, now he bought a new car. Akasana maluhlathi, hey. Now Lazarus wants 10 million rand. Just we can just see what Tumega is defeated. I think now it kind of so weird because he thought get. I mean, embarrassing someone like that and think it should just go to waste, or it should just uzovela tool with this much power that he has. Lazarus akamnike 10 million and see ukuthi unayo yini 10 million uhlathi, because kuyadlala up. And then uqhawe goes to vent kuZethu about Onga setting her up, even though he didn't, because yena nje bene agenda yakhe jiki uqhawe ngathi there's something heartburn okwantontoni. I hope uqhawe is not pregnant, hey, because masayihlushwa nge-heartburn. What if she's pregnant? What if she's carrying umntwana kamawethu? Drama, that would be so dramatic. And then uZethu no Ligamva, they finally sort of like talk about their feelings. Ligamva asked her out on a date and she agreed. And then Lilian no Sydney busy plotting against Lazarus and Zoleka, trying to take Kusela down. And Sydney says this is more than this is personal ngiyayibona le nto. I know that you were almost married to Lazarus, so this is like umfazi obitha, yeah, woman's gone. And then Uhlengiwe says I don't like this whole thing. Uyamazi nokumanzi this Lilian girl. Athi ungawari ngoLilian, mina I'm a big boy, ngizozimela, I can take care of myself. Lilian ke they meet again no Sydney. Sydney says that he wants 50% of his cyber sphere. Akafuni nje ukudlala kancane, ufuna 50% so that he is so that he can have that power that he wants. I wonder if Lilian is omnika 50%, because that's like steep. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.